Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside the running game, open the main menu or pause screen, and go directly to Settings. Once there, select Controls or Input Configuration. This is where mapping's live. You should have the controller or keyboard plugged in and the current layout visible so you can compare. Make sure to save any active game state first. Now, choose the control category you want to edit, movement, attacks, or special abilities, and prepare to remap individual buttons step by step. You'll now change specific actions. Highlight an action like attack or jump and press Confirm to reassign it. When the game prompts, press the new button or key you prefer. If the input is already used, the UI usually warns you so you can resolve conflicts. Once done, test the input in a short practice session or safe area. If the title supports secondary bindings, add a backup key for controllers versus keyboard play so you don't lose functionality. Finish by saving the layout and immediately testing all remapped actions in a real encounter so muscle memory adjusts. If something feels wrong, revert to defaults or load a previously saved configuration to compare differences. Once done, make sure to apply changes globally rather than temporarily. Some games require you to confirm before exiting the menu. Troubleshooting tip: if inputs don't register, restart the game and reconnect the control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.